finally underway. Just leaving Snape Maltings. As you can see just over there, there is a drone above me somewhere because our photographer Carl is over there somewhere. We have a guide launch in front of us, and yeah, anyway, I better go because I'm going to need to do stuff. So, see ya. Underway, but it's very, very dicey here. The river is so thin, or narrow should I say. So we're heading this way. We've got to go through that bit there. Snape Maltings is right round there. Caused quite a stir when we left. There was a lot of people there. We've got to go around here now and get through that gap there, which is no mean feat. Glad I'm not at the wheel for this bit. And there's the church in the background, which you might not be able to see. And then there's an island there, which is, say island, a massive mud flat. We're going to have to come round, go right round it. Well, Snape Maltings is way in the background now over there. We just met some canoeists just down there behind me. They decided to get out of the way, which is quite a wise move, I think. Anyway, we are heading round towards Icon now. Turn around this way. I can't quite see it. The church is round there somewhere. Anyway, so the tide is still coming in, and we keep kind of getting stuck on it. I can see some mud down here that we churned up. The idea being that we come in on the rising tide, or go out on the rising tide, and then get stuck a little bit, and then we float again, and we keep going, and so on and so forth. So we're heading out towards Aldborough now, and then we will be staying in the harbour probably, or just outside it tonight. Anchor up and then head up the coast tomorrow. That's the plan. More updates to come. This is absolute bliss. There's Aldborough over there, which we're heading towards. We've got to snake around first. The river's taking us around this way first, and Snape Maltings is quite a few miles back that way now. Some fabulous houses just along here, and that is Aldborough. The town is over there. Coming around here to the sailing club. So just the other side of that sea wall is the sea. Someone on the jetty filming us. And you've got the sailing club there. Martello Towers are just over there. And then we've still got quite a long way to go because we're heading towards Alford now, which is, we can't get out to sea here, although the sea is just the other side of that wall. We have quite a long way to go down the River Ald to get to Alford, where we will anchor up, ready for our trip up in the morning, and probably watch the sunset. Lovely. well, it is for me anyway. It's I think about 5-ish, 5:30, something like that. And what a view. This is where we were overnight. And oh, there's the moon. And there, at some point, will be the sun. And it's just like a mill pond out here. I don't know if you can hear all of the birds chirping away, but it's just stunning, absolutely stunning. So anyway, we will be heading up the coast today, all being well, and getting to Lowestoft later on, and I'll do some filming along the way. Well, here we are on the outskirts of, well, actually I thought, I'll do this. I said, here we are. We're on the outskirts of Thorpeness, just here, heading up towards Lowestoft. Aldborough's in the background down there, and yeah, we're doing well. We left kind of slightly ahead of time earlier. As we came out of the river, so you go from the River Ald to the River Orr, and then as we came out, we got stuck on a sandbank, but we knew we would. We were coming out on a rising tide, so the idea is you come out on, well, the water's coming in, you get stuck, you lift a bit, you carry on, and we hit it at a fair pace, so we were stuck there for about 20-25 minutes, but we're doing well. All being well, we should be getting into Lowestoft around about 5:30, and we have to have the bridge raised, the road bridge, so we will cause a whole heap of traffic as we go into Lowestoft, and the people of Lowestoft will thank us enormously. So we're doing really, really well. It's very sunny, but it's also incredibly cold, hence the hat and the snood and my enormous coat and a hoodie and a t-shirt. Anyway, so we're having great fun. Great bunch of guys that I've got crewing with me, and just the most stunning scenery. I've taken some great sunset shots. We had some superb aerial footage by Carl Lamb, which I've posted on Facebook already. And yeah, so hopefully we'll get up to Lowestoft later, where I can spend a fortune on work to the heart. Here we are now, just entering Lowestoft port. As the sun comes down, this is PK. Say hello to PK.
Hi guys.
We're just coming into Lowestoft now, so I better put the phone down because we've got to get ready with fenders and ropes. So there we go. Bit of an epic voyage, PK. Here we are approaching the road bridge in Lowestoft. I don't know if you can hear an alarm yet, but that is warning cars to stop because they're going to open the bridge just for little old us. So we are about to go through. Hopefully, I'm kind of hoping we don't have to stop and they will lift the bridge, otherwise we might be taking some very quick evasive action. I can hear the bridge now. It's going to be heading up. I'm guessing Skipper Jonathan behind is getting a little bit anxious. Anyway, here we go. There's the road bridge lifting up for us, and the nice people of Lowestoft sitting in their cars going, certainly, you take your time, we're fine. We're not in a hurry for our dinner, it's fine, honestly. In fact, have a little curtsy and a little bow and a little jaunt around. We've got all day. My guess is they're not saying that. Anyway, better go, ropes and fenders.